ॐ खानिलाग्न्यब्धरित्र्यन्तम् स्रक्फणीवोद्गतं यतः ध्वान्तच्छिदे नमस्तस्मै हरये बुद्धिसाक्षिणे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। In the 49th and 50th shloka of Naishkarmya Siddhi, chapter 1, we saw Nitya Naimittika Karma, they produce Pratyak Pravanata. In other words, a desire for knowing Atma, otherwise known as Vividisha. Pravanata, Pravana Shabda, Pru is the Dhatu. Pravate. Pravate atra iti Pravana or Pravanam. In Adhikarana, if you do Lyut Pratyaya. In other words, towards this Pratyagatma, Pravana means flowing, going towards Pratyagatma. This is what should happen first through Nitya Naimittika Karma Anushtanam. Pratyak Pravanataam Buddhehe Karmanyutpadyata Utpadya Shuddhitah Kritarthanyastamayanti Pravdante Ghana Iva. Karmas will become Kritartha with that. Up to that we saw, and 50th shloka also we saw. Therefore, Mumukshu, who is Atma Jnana Abhilashi. See, in the 50th shloka it is given Mumukshubhihi Atma Jnana Abhilashibhihi. Nityam Naimittikam Karma Sadaiva Atma Vishuddhaye Kartavyam. Mumukshubhihi Atma Jnana Abhilashibhihi. There is a difference between Mumukshu and seeker of Atma Jnana. There could be many Mumukshus, but all of them, they have not understood Atma Jnanam is must for moksha. So somebody thinks karma will give me moksha, somebody thinks upasana will give me moksha, somebody thinks samuchaya will give me moksha, somebody feels some kundalini will give moksha, some vichitra thinking could be there. So mumukshus can be many. Subset of that will be Atma Jnana Abhilashi. And once you are Atmajnana Abhilashi, means seeker of Atmajnanam, whether you want moksha or not, Nechanapi Mujyate. Further, 51, Tika, page number 33. Karmanam Muktavaradupakarakatvam Natu Sakshadityuktam. Karmanam Muktau Arad Upakarakatvam. Karma are Arad Upakaraka for Mukti, not Sakshat. Tasmin Arthe Bhagavad Vachanam Pramanam. In that, Bhagavad Vachan is Pramanam that is given. That karma will help in moksha. Arad upakar. Arad means remotely or paramparagata. In Mulam, yathokte arthe sarvagnya vachanam pramanam. In this Pratipadana, sarvagnya vachanam is pramanam. Sarvagnya vachanam can also mean Bhagavan Ved Vyasji's vachanam, which is Bhagavad Gita. In that, it is Bhagavad Vachana. Arurukshor muner yogam.
Arurukshor
Yogarudhasya tasyaiva.
Yogarudhasya tasyaiva.
Shama eveti cha smritihi.
Shama eveti cha smritihi.
Arurukshor muner yogam. Karma karanam uchyate. Yogarudhasya tasyaiva.
smritihi.
This is from Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 4th shloka. Arurukshor muner yogam karma karanam uchyate. Yogarudhasya tasyaiva shama karanam uchyate. Eva shama eva. Eva means shama eva karanam uchyate iti cha smritihi. Arurukshuhu means arodhum ichchuhu. Person who wants moksha, basically. Arudha, yoga rudha or jnana rudha. The one who wants atmanishtha, brahmanishtha, the one who is seeking that person should do karma. Karma is karanam. Karma karanam uchyate. So yogam arurukshoho. Karma karanam uchyate. Yoga arudhasya tasyaiva shama karanam uchyate. Shama means sannyasa. Shama is actually upashama. Upashama or uparama, what is called, is sannyasa. So it is very clear where I stand. If I am involved and I actively participate in those karmas, then I am arurukshu. And if I have withdrawn from everything, then I am yogarudha. Withdrawn from everything means sannyasa sarva karmani. I have actually taken sannyasa. And we will see that if we have inclination for karma, karmas will come to us. We have been directly or indirectly chasing karma. And if we are not interested in that, karma will not come. Like Vishayaha vinivartante niraharasya dehinaha. Rasopyasya param drashti.
रसवर्जम्
परम दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते.
So just as it is for Vishaya, it is also for karma. Now here, karma karanam uchyate. So there in Bhagavad Gita, Bhagavan says karma as in you have to do karma, but karma yoga. Here it is not explicitly mentioned, but it is understood that nitya karma, naimittika karma is with the attitude of karma yoga. How it is going to help, that we have to think. For somebody who is interested in becoming Atmajnani, Atmanishtha, so Brahadaranyaka Shruti has given Tametam Vedanu Vachanena Brahmanaha Vividishanti Yajnena Danena Tapasa Anashakena. In other words, Yajna, Dana, Tapa and Vedanu Vachanam, they are required for Chitta Shuddhi. And how they will give Chitta Shuddhi? They will bind you. They will not let you do what you want to do. That will not let you eat what you want to eat. They will not let you think what you want to think and enjoy or entertain. You will be bound by these karmas. And you will be responsible, you will be accountable for Vaidika karma or Laukika karma also. And in them, if the attitude is clear that this is for my moksha, they will produce vairagya. So you are not going to perform karma because others are watching. You are not going to do karma because you are a celebrity there and everybody is taking photos and video clips. Therefore, you will do some karma. You are going to do karma because you know you need them. So normally what happens is, when a person becomes, let's say, a celebrity, and when people take their pictures and all, if they are doing puja or if they are doing some snanam or something, it didn't happen that time. They have been doing it for 25, 30 years or even Purva Janma. So now suddenly people give credit to them for some time. So they are not doing it to satisfy other people. They are doing it because they have understood, I have to do this for myself. Because I don't have enough vairagya to withdraw and just abide in Brahma. And those people who are familiar with Rishikesh, Himalaya, even here you will find there are people to whom karma will go. Sadhus I am talking about, Swamis, Mahatma. Karmas will go to them. And then there are others, karmas will not go to them. Even students, only such students will go to a Mahatma who is into teaching them. And the other people, where such people will go, all they want is just bless us, everything is okay, this way, that way. So, karma goes to such people. Vishayas will also go to such people who are interested in them. And when I am yoga rudha in the sense I am not interested in anything other than Atma. Then shama means sannyasa is the karanam. Karanam means sadhanam. Shamaha means sannyasa. Karanam means sadhanam. Sannyasa is the sadhanam for the yoga rudha. See tika. Arurukshoho samyak darshana sadhanam dhyana yogam. For an arurukshu, samyak darshana sadhana is dhyana yoga. So yoga, when it is given arurukshoho muner yogam, which yogam? It says dhyana yoga. What otherwise I translated as Brahmanishtha. Because this 6th chapter is dhyana yoga. So the one who is arurukshoho dhyana yogam samyak darshana sadhanam. Dhyana yogam arurukshoho. Arurukshoho arodhum ichhoho. The one who is interested in aroha. Arudha shabda ruh dhatu nishtha pratyaya. Tad anushthan asamarthasya karma nityam naimittikam karanam. Tad anushthan samarthya utpadakam uchyate. Shrutibhihi smritibhischa. Tad anushthan asamarthasya. The one who is anushthan asamartha. Which anushthan asamartha?
Dhyana yoga.
Dhyana yoga anusthana asamarthasya, which is the samyak darshana sadhana. So then for that person it is said, you do karma yoga. So it's not that I sit down for meditation and then I am not successful, therefore they tell me you do karma yoga or something. What is meant is this: do I have enough vairagya from everything? Only one answer, yes or no. No, do karma yoga, bas. And if I have enough vairagya, leave everything. Don't even look behind. Who is there, what is there, like how Yudhishthira left. Bhima would go look behind and say, oh, Sahadev has fallen, Nakula has fallen, Arjuna has fallen, first Draupadi fell down. Yudhishthira even didn't see behind. If that much vairagya is not there, do karma yoga. And there is nothing wrong. Understand this life is only for this. Forget moksha. Until you are willing to drop everything and walk out. And it is a myth. If somebody tells you, you can do everything at home also. Those who are living at home, they know how much they can meditate and what they are going to meditate. It is not easy. So many things are going on. You can paint your house with mountains. You can have some screens like that. Oh, it is beautiful. It's good. But mind will wander elsewhere. Mind is not going to stay in Atma. That is the problem. So for them, Nityam Naimittikam Karma is Karanam, is Sadhanam. For what? It will produce Anusthana Samarthya. Dhyana Yoga Anusthana Samarthya Utpadakam Karma Uchyate. Shruti bhi, Smriti bhi. Shruti and Smriti, they say, if you have some deficiency, take this Karma Yoga pill. How many times? 24 hours, constant supply. Yogam arudasya. Yogam anushtatum samarthasya. Now, when a person is capable of doing this dhyanam for some time, means other desires are gone. Shamaha, karanam, upashamaha. Upashamaha means sannyasa karanam. So upashamaha is uparati. Sannyasa. Formal sannyasa, if you can take, is good. If you cannot take, sannyasa means I am not going to get involved in anything. Not because everybody has asked you to go and you don't have choice, so then you have taken sannyasa. Not that way. Before people have kicked you out, you kick the world. In that way. Means that desire to seek appreciation from world, recognition from world, even for sannyasa. Oh, I have taken sannyasa. I hope people appreciate my sannyasa. I have withdrawn. You withdraw, you are withdrawing for yourself, not for people. Sannyasa karanam. Yoga avaptau cha sadhanam iti vadan paramparayaiva karmanam mokshopayogam darshayati ityartha. Yoga avaptau cha sadhanam. Sannyasa is karanam, karanam is sadhanam. Or yoga avapti, prapti, sannyasa is sadhanam. Sadhanam vadan acharya paramparaya eva karmanam mokshopayogam darshayati. Through parampara, karma is useful for moksha. So Brihadaranyaka Shruti is there, but here also it is clearly given in Bhagavad Gita. Now is a beautiful portion. Karmanam paryena mukta upayogo darshitas. Tadaiva paramparyam idanim darshitya karmeti. Karmanam paramparyena mukta upayoga darshita. That karma paramparaya indirectly are upayogi for mukti, for liberation. Mukta upayogo darshitaha. Tadeva paramparyam idanim darshayati. That paramparya is shown now. Nitya karma iti. This paragraph I will read. First I will read the whole thing, then we will pause and I will read. Nitya karma mulam. Nitya karma anushtanat dharmotpattir. Dharmotpattehe papahanis tatas chitta shuddhis. Tatah samsara yathatmya avabodhas. Tato vairagyam, tato mumukshutvam, tatastad upaya paryeshanam, tatah sarva karma tat sadhana sannyasa, tato yogabhyasas, tatas chittasya pratyak pravanata, tatas tattvamasyaadi vakyartha parigyanam, tato avidyochchedas, ततश्च स्वात्मन्येव अवस्थानं ब्रह्मैव सन् ब्रह्माप्येति विमुक्तश्च विमुच्यत इति. नित्य कर्म अनुष्ठानात् धर्मोत्पत्ति. 1. You see the steps. First step is नित्य कर्मानुष्ठानात् धर्मोत्पत्ति. धर्मोत्पत्तेः पापहानि. 2. ततः चित्तशुद्धि. When there is papahani, then there is chitta shuddhi. Tatah samsara yathatmya avabodha. What is the real nature of samsara? That I understand. This is 4th. Tato vairagyam. 5. Tato mumukshutvam. 6. Tatastad upaya paryeshanam. Tad upaya moksha upaya paryeshanam. 7. Tatah sarva karma tad sadhana sannyasah. Then sannyas, karma sannyas, sadhana sannyas. Sadhana sannyas means all karma sadhana, putra, vitta, dhan, bharya, etc. They are karma sadhana. They are all renounced. 8 are over. Tato yoga abhyasa. Yoga abhyasa, Acharya will explain in Tika. Yoga abhyasa means Shravana Manana Nididhyasanam. ततश्चित्तस्य प्रत्यक प्रवणता. नंबर 10. ततस्तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यार्थ परिज्ञानम. देन कम्स तत्वमस्यादि वाक्यार्थ ज्ञानम. 11. ततो अविद्योच्छेदः. 12. ततश्च स्वात्मनि एव अवस्थानम. 13. ब्रह्मैव सन् ब्रह्माप्येति विमुक्तश्च विमुच्यत इति. Does this sound familiar to anybody?
Kathopanishad.
No.
उपदेश सहस्र उपोद्घात प्रकरण.
Exact answer nobody has given yet. Okay. In Vedanta Sara, this full paragraph is copied. Vedanta Sara. Those who have the book, they can check it. Nikhilanji has given this. All these steps are given, and this Brahmaiva San Brahmapyati Vimuktascha Vimuchyate, this is actually Prayojanam. In Anubandha Chatushtaya, this Prayojanam is given. So now let us think about some of these points. Nitya karma anushtanam will produce dharma. Dharma means punya. When the punya increases, then papahani means not that sins will go. New sins I will not commit. And the sins which are already committed, I have to go through them, but their impact will not be as much now. Because my dharma has produced a kavacham. Dharmotpattehe papahanihi. Tatas chitta shuddhi. When sins are reduced, then chitta shuddhi means the pariksha lokan will happen better. Earlier also I was doing parikshanam, but my results were wrong. Like when you do some experiment, you should expect certain result. You say, I am doing the same experiment, but I am not getting the result. Like in chemistry and all. So now When Chitta Shuddhi is there, and you do the parikshanam of the world, pariksha lokan, samsara yathatmya avabodha will happen. You will actually see, oh, this is not a right place to live. This is going to be a bandhana, this is a binding. So earlier also samsara had bandhanam only, but I could not see. So now I will have samsara yathatmya avabodha. For that I need chitta shuddhi. You know that there is a famous story. Arjuna and Bhagavan Shri Krishna, they were going somewhere at late in the evening or something, and then they come to this old person who has only one cow which gives some milk, and that person gives some milk to both Bhagavan Krishna and Arjuna, and Arjuna says, Bhagavan, you should help this person, how nice that person is and doesn't have anything. Aap to kar sakte ho, you can do something. Bhagavan said, let that cow die. Why? Because this person's entire attachment was only to one cow. When the cow is dead, this person is free. He has all vairagya now. This yathatmya avabodha means, not samsara, but yathatmya avabodha means I have a different way of looking at the same situation. And in samsara, you see wherever there is bandhanam. So for person who is of this nature, that too at the age of 25, mid-20s, between 18 to 25, people will not understand what this person is thinking. They will think there is something wrong with this person. And this person says, there is something wrong with all of you and this world. Sansara yathatmya avabodha is this. Tato vairagyam. Then he will have vairagya. And that person knows, I cannot live in this way. Tato mumukshatvam. Then mumuksha comes. Let us see this much in Tika first. Dharmotpattihi means adrishta utpattihi. Dharma means punya, adrishta. Adrishtotpattihi. Papahanihi dharmena papam apanudati iti shrutehe. Papahani means papa will be suppressed. New tendency to commit papa will be eliminated. This is Chitta Shuddhi. Chitta Shuddhi hi Chittasya Vivek Kshamata. Chitta Shuddhi means Chitta is now capable of doing better Viveka. Parikshanam is better. Yathatmya avabodha means anityatvadi dosha darshanam. Whatever defects I could not see, I had memorized, I had written down nice notes, but I myself could not see there is a problem. I will be able to see it now. Yathatmya avabodha, anityatvadi dosha darshanam. Yogabhyasah shravan manana nididhyasanadinam anushtanam. Yogabhyas means shravan manana nididhyasana anushtanam. That is the next one in the moolam. Mumukshutvam tatas tad upaya paryeshanam. Once I have moksha, I will mumuksha, I will look for what is the means of moksha. Upaya paryeshanam. Paryeshanam. So desire for seeking the solution. What is the solution? The solution, they'll say you have to go this far, I will go there. Solution, they'll say you have to go there, I will go there. Tataha. So in the solution, the solution will be you have to eat now simple food. No, I like my kind of food. Masala is needed. Some people love onion, garlic, and all. And ashram food means this is not possible. So some people say, I will decide how I will manage those things. No, you'll have to let go. Ashram food, there is no taste. You will have to eat. So upaya means everything. Then where you have to, then that lifestyle will be decided by, once you decide that I want moksha, where you will stay, what you will eat, when you will wake up, what classes you will have to attend, you cannot decide. And those people who want, like there are so many people, they ask, Swamiji, I heard you are having online classes. I want link. But when you give them link, they are not attending. Why? Because your class is at that time. Because at that time I have this, that time I have this. That person is not going to do anything. You want to study, you have to drop everything and study. So, with such people, how they will be able to do anything? Tataha sarva karma tat sadhana sannyasa. When the means is there, that means is sarva karma sannyasa. Means you have to leave karma and all the means to do karma. Like as I said, putra, vitta, bharya, you chodo sab. Tato yogaabhyasa. Then shravana manan nididhyasanam. Tatas chittasya pratyak pravanata. Now, in the last session, we saw one shloka. What is the shloka? Pratyak pravanatam buddhehe karmapadya shuddhitaha. So there, karma, its role is to produce buddhi shuddhi, and buddhi will become pratyak pravana. Buddhi will have pratyak pravanata. If karma can give pratyak pravanata, and here you are saying, after doing shravana manan nididhyasanam, I will have chittasya pratyak pravanata. Karma will give pratyak pravanata. Then after karma sannyasa, after shravana mananadi, I will get pratyak pravanata. Then what is the difference between first pratyak pravanata and second pratyak pravanata? So Tikakar says that. Atra chittasya pratyak pravanata nama pratyagatmani eva aprayatnena avasthanam. After Shravan Manan Nididhyasanam, pratyak pravanata means pratyagatmani aprayatnena avasthanam. Effortlessly I am Brahmanistha. And earlier, karma sannyasasya hetutvena purvodita tu pratyak pravanata pratyagatma vividisha matra rupa iti na purva paravirodha. Karma sannyasasya hetutvena पूर्वोदिता तो प्रत्यक प्रवणता. Earlier कर्म संन्यास हेतु was प्रत्यक प्रवणता. That was only प्रत्यगात्म विविदिशा मात्र रूपा. So that was vividisha, and now here it is Brahmanishtha Rupa. Thereafter, what will happen? See in the Moolam, Tataha Tattvamashyadi Vakyartha Parigyanam. Tato Avidya Uchchedaha. Tattvamashyadi Vakyartha Parigyanam and Avidya Uchchedaha. So, Tattvamashyadi Vakya he has heard during Shravanam, has done Mananam. Final, it's Jnanam as this is who I am. This will happen at the end. Tato avidya uchchedah. Then avidya nasha will happen. Charama sakshatkara vritti or charama brahmakara vritti. Until then, brahmakara vritti is there. But world is not completely negated. Means I think Jagat is mithya and again Satyatva buddhi comes back. I think I am Brahma and again Dehatma bhav comes back. All of that will go away finally. Means it will be badhita for good. Tatascha swatmani eva avasthanam. Then there is atma avasthanam eva. Brahmaiva san brahmapyeti vimuktascha vimuchyate. Brahmaiva san, being Brahma, he attains Brahma. Vimuktascha vimuchyate. He was already liberated, Jivan Mukta, attains Videha Mukti, or he was already Brahma as liberated. He knows now he is liberated. Iti. Vakyartha Parigyanam means Sakshatkara Lakshanam. He gets Sakshatkara. Swatmani Avasthanam iti atra pramanam aha Brahma eva. Brahmaiva san brahmapyeti. This is Brahadaranyaka Shruti. Vimuktasya vimuchyate is Katha. Brahadaranyaka 446 and Katha 221. Shloka now. Paramparyeణ karmaivam syada vidya nivrittaye
Syadavidya
Nivrittaye
na virodhitvat
Jnanavirodhitvat
karma vidyam nirasyati.
Karma vidyam nirasyati
Paramparyeణ
Paramparyeణ karmaivam Syadavidya nivrittaye Jnanavirodhitvat Karma vidyam nirasyati
karma vidyam nirasyati. Do the Anvaya for the second line.
कर्म अविद्या न निरस्यति अविरोधित्वात्
अविरोधित्वात्
न ज्ञानवत्
कर्म अविद्याम
विद्यां न निरस्य
कर्म अविद्याम न निरस्यति अविरोधित्वात् न ज्ञान that is correct. पारंपर्येण एवं पारंपर्येण कर्म एव कर्म अविद्या निवृत्तये स्यात् एवं पारंपर्येण कर्म अविद्या निवृत्तये स्यात्. In this way, karma parampariyena it will do avidya nivritti, but not sakshat. So these steps, what are written here and what I covered, if you want, you note down later and go through them and see where you are in these steps. Karma, chitta shuddhi, etc., whatever is given. You only have to judge. You will know how much interest you have in karma, how much interest you have in recognition, how much interest you feel somebody should appreciate, somebody should recognize me, etc., etc. The more vairagya you have, clear it will be for you to do parikshanam. So much vairagya should come that you should feel next body is a problem. And therefore, I am going to make full effort in this life until my last breath to work for moksha. Second chapter of Gita, last shloka. What is Bhagavan saying?
Yaya kamanya sarva.
No, that is not last shloka.
एषा ब्राह्मी
स्थिति पार्थ नैनं विमुह्यते स्थित्वा ब्रह्मकालेपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमुच्यते.
Esha Brahmi Sthiti Partha Mainam Bhapya Vimuhyati. Sthitva Syam Antakale Api. Even at the time of the end, if somebody can abide in this, Brahma Nirvanam Rachyate, he will get Brahma Nirvana. So that much I should be ready that even at the end, if it can happen, it is worth attempting. Karma avidyam na nirasyati. Karma cannot remove avidya. First line says, Parampariyena karma avidya nivrittaye syat. Second line says, Karma avidyam na nirasyati. So, Parampariyena nirasyati. Sakshat na nirasyati. Why? Avirodhitvat. Because karma and avidya, there is no virodha. Like how jnana has virodha. Tika. Nanu karma sakshat eva avidya nivartakam kim na syat. Why karma cannot be sakshat avidya nivartakam? Iti atah. It is not like jnanam, which is virodhi of avidya. Jnanavat na avirodhitvat. Karma avidyam na nirasyate. Further, in the 49th shloka, Moolam, अवसित शब्द over there. अवसित, अव उपसर्ग पूर्वक सो धातु, निष्ठा प्रत्यय. Avasita meaning I had given you, samaptam, culmination, paryavasanam. टीका. कर्मणः साक्षान् मोक्ष साधनत्व अभावे युक्त्यंतरम आह. कर्म is sakshan moksha sadhana, is not sakshat moksha sadhana, karma. So in that another yukti is given, yuktyantaram aha. Sureshwaracharya ji, Acharya is full of all these clarity, ideas. Same thing he can put in 25 different ways. One thing all he is trying to say, karma cannot give moksha. But he'll give this way, that way, this way, that way. See now. Nacha karmanaha karyam anu api muktau sambhavyate. Napi muktau yat sambhavati tat karma pekshate. Karmanaha muktau anu api karyam na sambhavyate. In mukti, in liberation, karma's role is not even anu, small. Anu api karyam na sambhavyate. Karma doesn't have direct role in moksha even a little. One. Napi muktau yat sambhavati tat karma pekshate. In mukti, in liberation, yat sambhavati, what is possible, that karma is not existing. Means a karma by which mukti you can attain. There is no such karma existing. Because in Vedas, never ever it has said, this karma will give moksha. Like how they have said, Pashu Yaga will give Pashu, Swarga Kama, Jyotishtoma will give Swarga, Kariri Yaga will give rain, Putra Kameshti will give Putra. It is not said this X karma, Rajasuya will give you Sarvabhauma, Ashwamedha, 100 Ashwamedha will make you Indra. All these things are said. Bhuti Kamaha. For that, if somebody wants Vibhuti, what karma? It is given. Somebody says, I want moksha. There is no karma mentioned. That this karma will give moksha. That is this vakya. Napi muktau yat sambhavati tat karma apekshate. Then mukti I will get through which karma can in the entire Veda you scan. No such karma is mentioned. It clearly shows there is no such karma. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatneti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.